Hey guys, TechMentor here with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you a secret little trick on your iPhone that you can do whenever you're on a video or audio call to make your voice loud and clear and to be able to hear the other person loud and clear so that there's no issue on your phone whenever you make a video or audio call. Now this setting is sort of hidden because it happens and it turns on at a certain time when you initiate a video or audio call, and we'll show you what we mean by that. So when you're making a video audio call, it activates a feature that we'll show you. Now your phone does have to be on iOS 15 or later for you to be able to use this feature, and you can use it on FaceTime, WhatsApp, other pretty much voice application. It won't work on regular phone calls, so it won't work on that. So let's open up FaceTime. As you can see here, we have a test user and we're going to FaceTime them and show you what we mean. So right now, let's take a look at the control center here. As you can see here in the control center here, we have something known as standard mic here. So what we do is we click on that, and then you'll notice here this menu pops up where we can do what's known as voice isolation. That's the hidden feature that will allow you to isolate the voice so it's loud and clear. We want to select that option. We don't want to do the wide spectrum, this one. By standard one, it's going to be the default setting, but this is the one that we want to turn on, and you'll notice much different. And when you make a call, you'll hear them loud and clear. They'll hear you loud and clear. So you want to do that voice isolation setting possibly on your phone. As you'll notice here, when you pull down the menu here, it's still enabled, and to turn it off, you gotta go ahead and just click back to standard here, and you'll see that enable. Again, that feature will be available when you open up app that has video or audio call enable, and you'll see that dot up there. So hopefully this little video tip help you guys and make you guys feel that there's a neat feature. And we're going to hear from you guys if you have other ways to make your voice loud and clear. Leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.